Okay. I'm gonna try out the wobbler. Kong wobbler. TV, you want it? Did I put food in there? Come on, figure it out. Go ahead, TV. Come on, figure it out. There you go. Get it. Figure it out. There you go. Good job. Keep going. Can you get it? Yeah, it's not like the other ones. You can't pick it up too easily, Clem. Figure it out. TV, figure it out. Look, TV, go get some. Go get some. Go ahead. Clemmy. More in there. Come on. There's more in there.